Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to delete a ChatGPT conversation. So if you no longer need a chat, you can delete it from your ChatGPT account in just a few clicks. So deleting a conversation removes it from your chat history, helping you keep your sidebar organized and protect your privacy. So to start, open ChatGPT in your web browser and sign into your account. Now in the left sidebar, locate the conversation. So locate the conversation you want to remove. Then hover your mouse over the conversation title, for example, this one. Then click the three dot menu that appears next to the chat. Click on that. Then from here, go to the bottom and select delete. Now click delete again to confirm your choice. You can also visit settings to delete any memories saved during this chat. So click delete and that conversation will be deleted. So it will immediately disappear from your chat history. Now, depending on the version of the ChatGPT web interface you're using, you may also be able to right click the conversation in the sidebar, just like so. Then select delete from the menu and confirm the deletion. You can also open the conversation. So click the conversation, then click the three dots in the top right corner and click delete from the options and click delete again to confirm the action. And that's it. So the selected conversation is permanently removed from your chat history. Deleted chats can't be restored through ChatGPT, and other conversations remain unchanged. So deleting one conversation doesn't affect your ChatGPT account, custom GPTs, or saved memories. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching.